Hey everyone, how is it going? It's your girl Ali from Home Job Success with Ali. First time to the channel, thank you so very much for being here, and make sure you hit on that subscribe button, and while you're at it, make sure you hit on the notification bell as well. So once we do have contents uploaded, you are not missing out any at all. You're one of the very first persons to be notified about that. For all our loyal subscribers, we thank you so very much for always being a loyal fam to us. Here on this channel, you're able to find YouTube tips, beauty tips, and a little bit of my crazy, and that you do not want to miss any at all. In today's video, you are going to see where I am slaying my face with this pink inspiration makeup. Remember though, I'm definitely not a makeup artist, but I'm able to help myself. And if you know where I'm coming from to where I am now with the makeup, then you would definitely know what I'm talking about. But today it's a good day because I really love the end result, and in order for you to see the end result as well, you need to stick around to the end and make sure you let me know in the comment area what you do think of this makeup here. Alright, so enough of me now with the talking. I'm just gonna leave you to just enjoy this video. So remember now guys, remember to hit on that subscription button and the notification bell. Make sure you turn that on, and also leave in the comment area, let me know what you think of this makeup. That's it, guys. That's exactly how I accomplished this look here. And I really do love the look. I was just going for something just to match back my outfit. So thank you so very much for sticking around. Make sure you go ahead and you subscribe to the channel. You do not want to miss out on all the other fabulosity that is yet to come. I'm your girl Ali from Home Job Success with Ali, saying peace, take care, and walk good. Bye.